Sometimes, while working in the system, we may have questions like how to do something, why did this message just pop up, or what's the next step in the process. So, what's the best way to find answers? The Help Book. In the latest Priority versions, we added a new help tool designed to help you find all the information you're looking for and fast. When you're in the middle of a work process, opening a new document or updating an existing document, notice the Help button on the right side of the form. Click on it and the Help Book opens. The side panel includes all the relevant information to your location in the system, in the language and version that you're working in. In the upper part of the panel, you can learn what the form is useful for and what you can do with it. After that, you can see the video tutorials, SOPs that detail end-to-end work processes, and FAQs. All this information is specifically focused on your current work process. If I want to search for something specific, like changing a price or adding a discount, I can use the search field to find the most relevant content to what I'm looking for. These are the relevant videos for the form I'm in, and I can watch them on YouTube in just a click. I can also look at the SOPs relevant to the form to help me through the complete work process. The Help Book opens on the side of the form. You can move it around easily so it does not hide anything. You can continue working while the help is open and available to you. If there are links to programs or to other forms, they too open in a click. I can open a document here in the panel or in a PDF file. If I want, I can also click here below to open it in Priority Expert. This is the FAQ area, in which you can find all the relevant frequently asked questions. I can run a search, look through the results, and in a click, read the content. The Help Book opens from the Help button and also from every field, meaning if I press F1 or right-click on any field so that the field Help opens, I can also click on the Form Help button to open the Help Book. We continue to enhance our system and our help tools, giving you the most effective daily workflow, advancing your business and organization. More exciting new features to come.